Madeline. He saw me. Oh, he's gone. Oh, there's the one on the top of the barbecue as well. Oh, he's eating the food. The squirrel's eating the food. That's awesome. Look at that.
I was cleaning my teeth.
The squirrel likes the bird food.
Oh, wow. It's a little bird as well.
Where? A little bird.
Is this the same squirrel?
No.
Wow.
The other one went away and another one came. There was two at a time once. That's why I called you, but you got a really good